legends and stories of his valor, courage, and sacrifice. Today, I want to portray the story of one such hero, a vanquisher and a conqueror, our legendary Chhatarapati Shivaji Maharaj. Born to Jijabai in Shivaji in Ashwanagar Sultanate, present-day Pune, Shivaji went on to become a ruler of such tremendous significance that I dare say he is the greatest of all I have ever seen. 19 February 1630, when almost all of Bharat is under Islamic occupation. The people of Maharashtra knew nothing but spreading love and joy. It was only peace and happiness which prevailed until the evil eyes of the Mughals fell upon Maharashtra and its people. The barbarous Mughals tormented the Marathas, brutally looting and abusing them. The poor Marathas pleaded the Almighty Shivaji to save them. We shall name him after the goddess Shivaji. Great epics, the Ramayana and the Mahabharata as he grew up. These stories had a massive impact on Shivaji and influenced him tremendously. One day, when Lord Krishna told Arjuna, even death in the cause of one's beauty should be dear to a hero's heart.
Mother, what is my duty? To fight for a foreign king by the side of my father, or to fight for my people against the king?
Your duty lies in fighting for your people.
Against the Sultan?
Yes, if necessary.
Then why does father work for the Sultan?
Your father loves freedom no less than any other person, but he has been in the Sultan's service for so long that he hasn't the heart to go against him. All right, Shivaji, this is enough for today. Go and rest for a while. Years passed, and over the course of time, Shivaji went on to become a strong, very young man. I shall not rest until I am for my people. Shivaji's friends gathered at the rim of the woods.
Shivaji, it has been a while since you had some fun. Shall we go have some mock battles?
Battles? Definitely, my friend, but not for fun. What then, Shivaji?
This beautiful land is ours. These great forts should rightfully belong to us, but our freedom is long lost. Friends, let us take an oath. We swear, we shall not rest, till we have regained our land.
Our fort, and our freedom,
A few years later, Shivaji along with his men made his first conquest. This delighted the Japanese and there was celebration all over. But it was not the same at the Sultan's court.
Shahbana, I have some bad news from Shivaji. Bad news for Adil Shah. Speak out. What is it? A young man named Shivaji has conquered our Shivaji. He is none other than our chief commander, Shahaji's son. I cannot believe this. Our most loyal Shahaji? Betray! Arrest Shivaji at once. I want Shivaji on his knees in my court. Get him!
The news of his father's arrest reaches Shivaji and more than 60,000 troops are ready to murder him.
Let them come with another 60,000. Shivaji will never regret. Let us teach the Sultan a lesson.
Shivaji's will, after a long and hard battle, our Shatrus are finally defeated.
Chapana, our troops have been defeated. Our Purandar fort has been occupied by Shivaji and his forces.
We will not leave him. We shall not sleep until we see his head at your feet.
Release Shahad for now and treat him with honor. Let us wait for our turn to bounce back.
Wait for our turn? For how long? Isn't there a single man in this entire kingdom of Shivaji? The sword is here, but not a single man.
Afzal Khan is here, Bade Sahiba. I shall never live as long as I am alive. I'll bring that mountain back, dead or alive.
This is what I expected from you, Afzal Khan.
Is he to be worried, Santa? Are you worried about that timid Shivaji?
It is not easy to defeat the crocodile in water. We must somehow bring Shivaji out of his hole. Let us hit on his sentiment and provoke him. Soldiers, destroy all the temples. Let the first one be his favorite, the Durga Mata Mandir.
Yes, Santa. सुल्तान के लिए हम अपनी जान भी दे देंगे. हम सब लड़ेंगे, अपनी आँख भी बूंद कर. लड़ेंगे, लड़ेंगे, लड़ेंगे.
Shivaji, our people have been brutally killed and temples destroyed. What shall we do now?
Maharaj, the Sultan has a message for you.
Sultan has warned you to surrender or die. What shall we do now? Do not worry. I have a plan. Call the Sultan's messenger into the court.
Shivaji answered thankfully.
The Khan is like a father to me. Why does he frighten me with his might? I promise to meet your Sultan and apologize to him at Pratapgarh Fort. Just when Shivaji is getting ready to meet Afzal Khan, he hears that the Sultan has plans of killing him. Sultan, Shivaji is arriving unarmed and alone. Let him come. I'll finish him. This will be his last day. A great honor to meet you, Khan Sahib. This is truly the best day of my life. I will cherish it forever. Come, my son. I have been hearing a lot about you in the recent times, and I am really pleased to meet you too. In fact, I have been waiting for this day. Please come. I shall show you my beautiful collection of paintings.
Very well aware that he would be attacked by Afzal Khan, Shivaji had come prepared. Afzal Khan is stunned as he is unable to stab Shivaji. Shivaji takes out the kind of cloth he had brought with him, picks them and lifts Afzal Khan apart.
हिंदुस्तान की तरफ उठेगी।
I am Bharat Mata, Mother India. I have many tales about your long and proud history buried in me. Your history is full.
अस्ते कदम अस्ते कदम महाराज गणपति गजस्वपति भूपति प्रजापति सुवर्णपति और अष्टावधान जागृत अष्टप्रधान विदित न्यायालंकार मंडित शस्त्र अस्त्र शास्त्र परंगत राजनीति धुरंधर प्रौढ़ प्रताप पुरंदर क्षत्रिय कुलवतो सिंहासनाधीश्वर महाराजाधिराज राज शिव छत्रपति महाराज की राजा शिव छत्रपति महाराज की नमो पार्वती पते हरे हरे महादेव हरे हरे महादेव शिवाजी महाराज